Today, we're comparing two popular fencing options, wood and vinyl. If you're unsure which material is right for you, this video will help you decide. Let's dive in. First up, aesthetic appeal. Wood offers a natural, classic look that can blend beautifully with any landscape. It's versatile and can be stained or painted. On the other hand, vinyl comes in various colors and styles, providing a more uniform appearance. Next, let's talk durability. Vinyl is known for being highly durable and resistant to weather, pests, and rot. It can last 20 to 30 years with minimal maintenance. Wood, while beautiful, typically requires more upkeep and may last around 10 to 15 years if well cared for. When it comes to maintenance, wood requires regular staining or sealing to protect against the elements, while vinyl is virtually maintenance-free. Just a simple wash with soap and water is usually enough to keep it looking great. Now, let's discuss cost. Wood tends to be cheaper up front, but don't forget to factor in maintenance costs over time. Vinyl has a higher initial cost, but its longevity and low maintenance can make it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Lastly, consider the environmental impact. Wood is a renewable resource and can be more eco-friendly if sourced sustainably. Vinyl, while durable, is made from plastic, which can be less environmentally friendly, but some companies offer recycled options. So, whether you lean towards the classic charm of wood or the low-maintenance durability of vinyl, both options have their pros and cons. Choose based on your budget, aesthetic preference, and how much maintenance you're willing to commit to. Should you have any more inquiries regarding fencing, you can contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fencing tips.